Good morning, students. Yes, welcome to English class. Beta, today we will read a new chapter that is the key. That is a poem. So, beta, the name of the topic is the key. So, beta, all of you know what is a key? You know what is a key and what is the use of a key? Yes, beta, tell me what is a key and what is the use of key? Beta, the key is using to open or lock thing. So this is the poem of a key. This is a beautiful poem in which poet describes his own ideas of having adventure. Okay. So, but before starting the poem, we will do general exercise of this lesson. That is the page number 87. So let's start. P1. Write the appropriate word that describes the following. Write them in the space provided. So beta, 3 pictures are there. You need to identify and write the names of the things under the picture. Okay beta. So look at the first picture. Can you identify it beta? Look at the first picture. Yes, it's a musical keyboard. And the arrow shows the key of the keyboard. Arrow shows the key of the keyboard. So that is the musical keys. Okay. Now we will look at the second picture. Look at the second picture beta. It's a computer set and the arrow is showing the computer keyboard. Okay beta. And the last picture is a lock and it's a lock and the arrow shows the key of the lock. So that is the key of the lock. So beta, these all are the keys of different thing. Now we will do the B2 exercise. Beta, it's an activity. Your mother believes that as a child you lack discipline, so she keeps things under lock and key. The refrigerator is locked. The cupboard containing your favorite toys is locked. Even the storybooks you are so fond of reading are locked. Your mother is willing to give you only one key. So, beta, imagine your mother keeps all the things under lock and key. The refrigerator and the cupboard of your favorite toys and storybook shelf also locked. So, your mother is willing to give you only one key. Which key you will choose? That means the refrigerator key or the cupboard key or the bookshelf key. Which key you will choose and why? So beta, that is our choice and you have to write your own choice. बेटा आप अपनी मर्जी का भी लिख सकते हो, आप चाहो तो ये भी लिख सकते हो, लेकिन आप अपनी मर्जी का भी you can write your own self. Okay, so I would like to have the key of the cupboard containing my favorite storybooks because I like reading stories as it refreshes the mind. I think books are our best friends. Okay beta? So that is my point. You can write your own point, your own choice. Okay? So now beta, let's start the poem. So the key, firstly beta, I will read this poem and you have to repeat after me. Okay, after that I will explain this poem. So beta, let's start. I have a key in my pocket. I found it just yesterday. This key must be for an adventure. What does it go to? Who can say? Could be it opens a treasure chest stuffed full of diamonds and gold, or maybe it opens a journal with its secrets locked up for years. And if I find it and read it, I'll be famous and people will cheer. I guess it could fit in a sports car. I would be too young to drive it right now, but I would hide it away till I am older. When I would drive it, my friend will say, wow, my adventure can go on forever. If I just hang on to this key, I don't have to know what it opens. It's more fun just thinking about it. So beta, that is the poem. Now I will explain the poem. Okay. In my pocket, I found it just yesterday. Beta, I means beta the narrator, the one who had written the poem. So the poet has a key in his pocket. Look at the picture, and he is saying that he's found it just yesterday. Okay. The key must be for an adventure. What does it go to? Who can say? So beta, he guesses about the key and he goes on thinking so many things, that this key can open this thing or can open this thing. So it will be a great adventure to go on thinking. And what does it go to? What the key is meant for and who can guess it, beta. Now next, would be it opens a treasure chest stuffed full of diamonds and gold. Beta, we say that it may be that it is the key of a treasure chest. Look at the picture. That means that a box that is full of jewelries and costly precious too. So he says that it may be that this key to meant for this treasure chest, and that is filled with diamond and gold. Okay beta. Or maybe it opens a journal with its secrets locked up for years. He says that it can be open a journal, but a journal means a piece of paper in which secret map has been given and thought we can go to find a hidden treasures. And it may be open a journal which can unfold many secrets which has been hidden for years. So he says that with this secret locked up for years, if I find it and read it, I'll be famous and people will cheer. So he said that if I happen to read the map and then find the hidden place, then I will be famous and people will cheer and applaud me. Okay beta. Now I guess it could fit in a sports car. Look at the picture, sports car. I guess it could fit in a sports car. I would be too young to drive it right now, but I would hide it away till I am older. When I would drive it, my friend will say, wow. Better than he guesses that maybe the king is going to unlock the sports car. Look at the picture, that is the sports car. So what he plans to do? He plans to hide it away till he grows older. Then he says, when he become older, and I will drive it, and my friend will say, वाओ बेटा सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं ना, बहुत अच्छी गाड़ी में है भाई, बहुत सारा सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं, तो माई फ्रेंड विल से वाओ ही जस्ट इमेजिनिंग द थिंग्स, माई एडवेंचर कैन गो ऑन फॉर एवर इफ आई जस्ट हैंग ऑन टू दिस की. I don't have to know what it opens. It's more fun just thinking about it. So beta, he just imagining the things. So the poet says that I can go on imagining so many plentiful things with this key. It can open treasure chests, it can unlock the journals, it can also unlock the sports car. So many things. If I hang on, then imagine will be continued. So beta, I don't have to know what it opens. So quite clear, I don't want to know that what it actually opens, but it's more fun for me. It's fun for me just thinking about it. Okay beta, so that is the poem of the key. Okay, you have to read this poem. Today you will read and I will do the hard words of this poem. Okay? Thank you. So that is the hard one of the key. First one is pocket. P-O-C-K-E-T. Pocket. Okay beta, you will repeat after me. Then second, yesterday. Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Yesterday. Now third one is adventure. A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E. Adventure. Fourth one is treasure. T-R-E-A-S-U-R-E. Treasure. Fifth one is diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. Sixth one is secrets. S-E-C-R-E-T-S. Secrets. Seventh one is famous. F-A-M-O-U-S. Famous. Eighth one is guess. G-U-E-S-S. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. Ninth one is drive. D-R-I-V-E. Drive. And the 10th is young. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. So बेटा आपको ये पोएम जो है लिसन इट केयरफुली वीडियो and write and learn the hard words of this poem. Okay beta, thank you.